aneh mah.
Okay, good morning YouTube, hope you're doing well. So yeah, looking like Goldie just came down over here. Someone just said I've missed gold sales. No, I don't think I have. I think it's just in this range. Was there a 5-minute trend line? I mean, could have maybe have taken one near to there, but it really went back up. That 5-minute trend line was tasty, but didn't take it. Yeah, I don't think it touched it. So, yeah, let's first of all take a look at news first. Oh, technical problems. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. So, public sector net borrowing. Your mic is not clear, is it now? Better, okay, good. Good morning, Ryan. So yeah, I mean, in terms of today, we have some public sectors, low kind of volume, and I think for the rest of the day, we're actually not that bad for news. Actually, it's a Wednesday when it starts kicking off, doesn't it? So. That's not bad. I'll just talk you about the trade I took in NY session yesterday. We took a gold sell here once we closed below. It was actually on the 15-minute flip here. Price then opened, wicked all the way back up. And then when we came back down over here and broke this low, what I was looking at was the lower time frames to see if we were going to push. We were traced instantly, and I told everyone just to get out. And I closed at -6, so that wasn't bad at all. So -6 was like, yeah, like there. So not bad. I lost like 0.13%, so I'm not asking that at all. In terms of anything about that trade, I mean, the 30-minute time frame closed bearish, made a top wick, did actually nearly flip it. I think what just happened here was we had it was a bit too late on, so it was 2:30 my time, nearly 3 o'clock my time, which is obviously with daylight saving. That's fucking, I don't know, 11 or something for the US. It was maybe a little bit later on and lack of volume. So let's take a look over here then, right? So daily time frame, first daily candles goes bearish in a couple of days. Yesterday's, which is interesting. We are at that big res at 2000, so it is maybe a little bit to be expected. Looking like the weekly time frame, yeah, that last candle on the weekly didn't even have a top wick either. So, retracement's needed. Maybe back down to 1931 if it's wanting a little bit more of a bigger retracement than usual. Okay, so here. Okay, take a look at the hourly, the 30-minute. Very, very simple and similar to what we had yesterday. You know, we do have areas that we can fill further below. You know, 1968, 1967, this kind of area here, you know, I think would be nice to continue down to at least 62 and then to 57. That would be great. Would I take trades in here? Probably not. I'd probably just wait until we break below that level, I think. And that would be the easiest level, yeah, because you've got hourly support and all that kind of stuff, yeah. So... 1967.26. Beautiful. In terms of buys, same kind of thing as yesterday, which we were waiting for all NY session. Probably buys above 1990 would be great for me to continue. Buys above. Why? Well, because obviously the candles above clean. We'll be breaking above resistance. It'll be great. And that's pretty much it for Goldie. Very simple. Pretty simple here. Also, we could say that we want as well sells below 1956. Yeah, 96. I think. Sorry, sells below 1956 will also be great to continue down. And as you can see in the hourly, this is the cleanest zone. Back down to 1933, which is where it could be the lower wick of the weekly, which is nice. So yeah, something like that would be reasonable. The reason why I started a little bit late today, guys, is just because there was nothing there that I wanted, so there's no point in me starting. So yeah, let me just. Take a look. So let me just get that on this one here. So in terms of EJ, let's take a look then. We'll get this up and running. So daily time frame over here is looking a little bit choppy, right? The daily time frame is not really closing nice in any direction. The 4-hour time frame is bullish. The hourly, the 30-minute, all that kind of stuff, yeah. So I mean, in terms of where I'd want to take trades here, you know, buys above 142 area. To continue to at least like 142 to 529. You know, like above here. Say maybe above there. And then obviously, you know, higher above. In terms of sells, yeah, it just have to be below. Below 138.849. What does the left hand side look like? Looking like there's a support of 138 flat. Yes, that's decent. That's a decent amount. So yeah, pretty simple. Nothing really much going on here on EJ. It's kind of ranging. Have I done GJ yet? No, I haven't done GJ either. Okay, GJ. Same kind of thing. GJ in the higher time frame looks choppy, just like EJ has. What I mean by that is that there's no direction, right? If you look at the higher time frames here, you know, there's just nothing really going on. We're just ranging. We'll keep on wicking down to this area, keep on pulling back up. So yeah, it's not the cleanest area. 4-hour time frame is bullish, continuing up over here. The hourly, the 30-minute time frame, kind of the same situation. You know, there's a lot of resistances before we get above 162. So 162 buys, and then maybe, yeah, sells below. It's going to be pushing it there. So yeah, I don't know if I like the sells, to be honest. Apart from maybe this candle here to mirror. But yeah, I'm not rushing into this. I kind of want to, you know, get these breakouts of these big zones over here. So that's what I'll wait for. Sells. Yeah, sells below there, and then it turns to the left hand side. 57600 would be the next level of support. Also a minor one like there. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, we'll just wait patiently for them. Very simple, very simple. Good morning, Max. Good morning, Samantha. How are you doing? Took this GJ buy yesterday on NYS. Okay, let's take a look. NYC, sorry. Let's take a look. Oh, is that a 50-minute impulse? I mean, nice. It's worked out. Well done. I do think though you've got to be careful, right? Because for me here, there's resistance, right? You know, all around there, and you didn't wait for a closure. You just took it when it started pushing. You know, that can be quite dangerous. If you go back and back test, you'll get hit out on a lot of them. So I'd be careful for that. A little bit careful. Just for the fact you need closures. Closures is what you need. Why not buy GJ as fake out at the pre 15-minute closing back into support? No, it's just raging. Hasn't broke out of the zone. This is just the support. It's just trading in this little range. See if it can break a little bit further above, but yeah, it's not there yet. Also on the 30-minute, that's a little bit of an order block there, so we'll see. I don't see too much that's appealing to the eye though yet, to be honest with you. I think the only thing that's decent is probably gold here. When it gets below here. Oh yeah. I have EJ sells below 143.3. We have clean moves up and down from yesterday. What do you think? 143.3. Yeah, that's oh shit, yeah. Because we were looking at that yesterday, weren't we? Yeah. I think that's pretty reasonable. Clean moves, I agree. Yeah, we got them down to that support 139.500 would be the first one. Yeah. Very nice. Hello, Maxi. Happy Nawaz. Is that how I say it? Nawaz? Nawaz. What's it about? Is that the start of Ramadan? Is it? I have no idea. I just need to show up. Oh, New Year. Ah, nice. Persian New Year. Ah, nice. Had to come to support on a Monday. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so I think just waiting for these gold breaks is going to be good, man. Oh, yeah, so the trade that we took yesterday, this is what happened, right? So I saw the 15-minute close below. very strong. Next candle made a huge top wick, retested the level. I was like, oh, this is nice. Got in on the reflip, okay. It was like 2 minutes before the 30 closed, but I was like, yeah, I might miss this move, because normally with Goldie, if it's a 50-minute closure and a nice top wick, you know, getting on the flip is decent. You know, it works 80% of the time. And then we went straight into drawdown instantly. And then we started messing around for quite a while, losing volume. The 5 minutes slowed down, as you can see here, which is not the best sign. So then I was like, right, okay, I'm just gonna manage accordingly. So when the 30-minute closed bullish here, like this one, I made my stop loss to that high, so I already managed risk there nicely. And then what I did was the next candle started pushing down the 30-minute, this one here, and then I moved it to the 30-minute high, which is I think around there. Then when we started coming back into profit, I was like, right, if this doesn't break and push straight away, because the 4 hour looked quite good actually. The 4 hours clean all the way down, so I was like, oh, I could still drive, so I'm gonna watch it drive. And then straight away on the lower time frames, I was watching like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, we just rejected straight away. I was like, right, I'm not taking this drawdown again, so I just closed -6. So managed there beautifully, taking a -0.1% trade. So yeah, it was good. It was good. Very, very happy with that. Let's do this. Ah, yeah, we do have Karma Fix in the building. My guy's chilling. My guy's vibing today. I took that same trademarks and held drawdown for a couple hours. Yeah, man. It was kind of annoying. It was. How long did it last? Like, I got in that trade there. Yeah, it lasted fucking ages, bro. Like an hour.
Yeah, bro. I went in a drawdown like 5-6K.
Wow. Yeah.
And then I closed like 12. I closed 12 pips, and then that shit went like, they kept tanking. You already see where it's at now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's done. Well, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie. After the stream, I took a cheeky little buy. I was like, you know what, we're holding the support. How many times? And this is what I've been seeing recently on gold. When price just can't break a zone, and it's done it 3 or 4 times, it always retraces. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna maybe try this out over here. So 30-minute closed bullish, obviously this one here. This one then came back down. This is the one that I closed on. This one then closed bullish again. Next one made a low wick. I got in on the flip here, on the break of the previous high there, and I ran that all the way to 1980. So that wasn't actually too bad, but yeah, that was much later on, just me fucking around. Raja already won this guy, dude. I wanted to take that. You didn't call out. Yeah, it's too late. It's too late. Doesn't mean I can't call it out, but it doesn't mean I can't take it myself. I'm not calling out for the whole group when we haven't been back tested it. I was just like, yeah, close your back above. Good. Goldie's looking decent. Sorry, GJ's looking decent. Pushing up still. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Are EJ buys with 141323? No. So the reason is, right, you know, this is maybe current resistance. I don't know why. Where's my Asian range on, actually? Let's take a look. Yeah, so my Asian range, right, so there. So, yeah, I mean, obviously, most recent resistance is here. Right? Now, isn't that the most recent resistance? So if you look to the left-hand side, what do we have? Well, we had resistance there, we had resistance there. So you've already got levels that it has rejected before. Then you've got a support there, and then you've got a resistance there. So this is a lot of traffic that you're just going to have to, you know, realize, is that really the best idea for me to take a trade in there? Probably not. If you look further up though, and you just wait for a buy above here, the trade's going to be much easier. You've got a clean candle to mirror all the way to first res, which is like, you know, a 57 pips zone. So you just got to pick your zones. Could you check this trade? Yes. Let's take a look. If you know there's prices rejected those levels before, man, just leave it alone, boy. Leave it alone. Wait for a buy above. Okay, so took a buy here. Nice. I mean, yeah, it's back in the zone. It's fine. It's decent. Not bad. How big's a stop? 20 pips. The zone's 20 pips, so yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Want to get a little bit aggressively there. Hey Max, can you check this trade? Yeah, we'll check another one as well. Wow, a lot of people are sending in charts today. That's good. I like it, I like it. Man, I was playing Valheim last night, just fucking vibing out. Does anyone play Valheim here? I'm pretty sure it's like a pretty nerdy game. I don't think many people play it. Man, I'm kind of in a trade now, right now on GJ. Ooh, very nice. 30-minute made a decent top wick. Enter the trade as it broke. Anticipate the celery play. Yeah, that was on the hourly, wasn't it? Yeah, I missed that one. I missed that trade. I was at the fucking toilet. But yeah, that was good. Celery play. It was actually a 1-to-1 as well, down to the low, which is great. Very, very good. Yeah, this one here. Because what happened as well was that price came back up to 1984. This resistance rejected. Breaking that low, you can use current candle stops for 40 pips and close there for, you know, 45, 50 pips. Not bad. Not bad at all. The 5-minute play again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very, very nice, Tommy boy. Very, very nice. Now it is in sale and stream. Yeah. So yeah, but yeah, same thing again. You know, the 2 trades yesterday we had to take some more drawdown than I normally take. But does that change anything? Nope. I still stuck to it, and I still made 1% for the day. So it's just about that. Kim Jong-un about to nuke the US. And South Korea going to make gold go up by 4K. The TikTokers on the front line. Yes, this is what we need. The TikTokers. They can do their dance moves. Karma Fix, how many hours you trade a day?
Bro, I don't sleep, dude.
That's mad. Is Asian worth it? Do you trade a bit Asian?
It's worth it. I skip it a lot, but like if Wix is in a trade, I'll get in. Yeah.
Yeah, Wix takes some good trades there. To be fair, sometimes it's decent though, isn't it? Yeah, I suppose, you know, if you want to make that bread, it's worth it.
It used to be like last month, but this past month has been pretty slow for Asian.
Yeah. I need to relax after the absolute fuckery that London and NY has been this month. Oh my god. I was telling people before, like, guys, this isn't a normal month, by the way. Gold doesn't normally nut 500 pips in like one 30-minute candle. Mad. Lucky for you, sweaty balls were out of sight. Yeah, man, sweaty balls do not come anymore. Betty Swallocks is not here anymore. Betty Swallocks is left in the dark. The only time that you have sweaty bollocks is when you've put a too big lot on, and you know you have, and you just hoping it goes in your direction. That is sweaty bollocks. Now, taking a 30-minute closure on gold, my balls are dry. I'll tell you that right now. My balls are dry. So yeah, 7% cold, 7.2% cold for the group, up around about 10% myself. So it's not bad, you know. It's a good month. But I do think, and this is one thing that I was telling the group, is that this month and this is what Raj is really good at. When it's a good month like this in terms of just high volume, you know there's loads of volume. You know, holding the trades on longer can give you some serious gains in these months. But obviously when it goes back to normal, then I'll be doing the exact same, you know, taking positions off. So it's just not bad, not bad. One more fix. When do you sleep, bro? Everyone's asking me, can't fix sleep. You don't sleep. I'll tell you what, I love sleep though. Like, I know people struggle with sleeping, man. I'm not one of them guys, like, at all. I generally think it's probably just a lot of stuff with your head. Like, if you, especially if you have anxiety all day, I think you struggle. I think a lot of people struggle sleeping if they've got anxiety because it's just thinking about everything. Like, man, when I pass out, I am like just vibing. I think 10 hours easy, yeah. I may need to piss halfway through though, that's my only issue. I could feed my cocaine addiction. So yeah, I mean, it looks like Raja took this trade here. Nice clean counter left inside. For me, it's just in a range. I'm not taking GJ in this range at the moment. The 4 hour, the daily looks a little bit shocking, to be honest with you. Recent days, looking a little bit choppy. Ashwagandha and you are good. That shit make you emotionless. Really? I take. See, this is what confuses me. I take ashwagandha every morning. That shit doesn't. The only thing it does is it does pick up your testosterone. Like, man's been beating his meat a bit more than usual now. Ashwagandha. Some magic powder and all, that's good. Yeah, I felt like, when was it? I think it might have been like a month ago. Yeah, my test levels just felt much lower than normal. Normally they're fucking high. Like, I feel like a raging fucking bull half the time. But it felt like I had a big drop. And it felt really odd. I felt like half the man I was. Like a fucking goat. Same with like smoking with weed though. You can pass out really easily sleeping. The only issue is that it's not REM sleep, so you gotta remember that. I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, so it suppresses it. I see better on the ganj. Yeah, I think everyone does. I was dreaming the craziest shit. Oh my god. Lucid dreams. What's lucid dreams again? It's where like is it where you think you're in it? When you know you're dreaming. When you know that you're dreaming while you're asleep. You know you're dreaming. Well, I think I know I'm dreaming quite a lot of the time. Does anyone like in a dream and you don't want to leave it, but you need a piss, you run for a piss and then just jump straight back in? You're like, yo, Stream Mission Impossible. What's this called? 50-minute closure back. Sorry, it looks like a fake out in EJ. What? Really? 30 minutes just goes bullish. This is for me all one range. There's no fake out or anything. It just needs to break out of the zone. You can fly and shit. Mate, I have a dream. I'd say I have a dream once every month, especially when I was younger, where I thought I was Spider-Man. That shit was amazing, man. Just swinging around the city. Man, that shit's sick. I sleep so hard I can't remember anything. officier WCCP do not use it. Oh, that's pain. When I went to prison and couldn't smoke, I used to dream I was on vacation all the time, woke up in a cell. Oh man, that is fucking rough, bro. Yeah, the more I deep it now, like I think I'd fucking hate prison, man. Do you know what I would do if I did go though, man? I would just turn into Mike Tyson. I'd just fucking gym the whole time. I'd just be ripped. Nothing else to do. I'd be ripped and play chess. Check this trade. You haven't sent me anything, my man. The link is not there. I can't see the link. Pretty much what happened. After the deployment, I can pass out almost everywhere in 2 minutes. Wow. See, I need time to pass out, man. I can't just pass out straight away. I've got to go on TikTok for a good fucking 30 minutes at least. Unless it's been a busy day. To be honest with you, recently, man, I've been passing out like early just because of so much fucking work I've been doing. Possible buys. Take a look. Let's take a look. I don't know, man. You know. I don't know. I think it's pushing it. So from there to there, you're like, yeah, it was clean there. That's fair, but it wasn't. It was clean there. Just had a lot of resistance there, though. It's just like, I know it's going to be much cleaner above here. Obviously, depending on the closure and that. But for me, yeah. 50-minute closure on gold? Where? Nowhere. You need to remember, what's gold doing right now? Gold is, you know, next to the daily flip, the 4-hour flip. It's pretty close. It hasn't really done much yet, so... Too much ranging going on, yeah, that's fine. You just sit back. You just sit back and wait. It's still very early on. About a 39 pip range. You'd have to see the stops and that. But yeah, maybe. Let me get this fucking Asian range. I need this indicator on because I actually struggle to see the Asian range. It's not like bouncing off a level. Like the reason why I like this one down here was because the hourly closed back above, and also it was 4 hours rejecting the support, whereas here it's just in the range, it's just in the zone. You know. When prices, when it, you know, if it's closing above here and prices, you know, opened at the daily flip right there, you know, it could just do what it's done the past fucking 7 hours and just remains there. Feels like a range day already. Big moves yesterday. Don't push your luck yet. I think it could be okay. You just gotta be patient. Oh yeah, man. I just bought some new games. Actually, I need some help with the PC, man. I bought a hard drive and I don't have enough storage in this fucking PC. But I just don't know where to put it in the case. There's no wires, I don't think. So I have to. Oh, is that a wire? Oh no, that's in the graphics card. Yeah, I'm gonna have to maybe get someone over because I just struggle with PC kind of stuff. I just worried I'm gonna break it. Yeah. SSD? No, it's a hard drive, like a big fucking fat one. Like I'll show you. If you don't know how I can show you, I can probably show you. And now it's just a fucking book weight. It looks like this. It's a Barracuda one. It's like 2 terabyte, but I just didn't know where to whack it in the piece on the computer. It's just I don't know what ports either. Like this fucking ports there. Computers are confusing, bro. But yeah, on Steam I bought Dead by Daylight last night. I bought The Last of Us. Yeah. Yeah, I want to play all these games, man. I've already played Last of Us before on PS4, but I didn't finish it because I was like 12 or something, whatever it was. Go check some videos on YouTube.
I promised myself that I was not gonna play any games until GTA 6 comes out.
Oh man.
When that game comes out, I'm not even trading.
When is it gonna come out? Is it even a date yet?
They are making it.
They've been fucking making it for years, bro.
Yeah, I don't think they've been making it for years, to be honest. I think they just like,
bullshit.
oh yeah, we're making enough money off GTA 5, we can wait a few years.
Yeah, and then they did the Red Dead, didn't they? Actually, yeah, wait, let me actually take a look at this Steam, because I might actually buy like a load of games. Just if is it actually the sale on now? Can I buy? Is it? Can you buy The Last of Us on here? No, it's something else. Is that F1? Ah, oh, F1 2022. Is that a good one? Is that the good game, or is it a bit shit? Thing is though, you need a wheel and that really to play them games, I think. Spider-Man Remastered, yeah, there's those. But I never really get the Steam games. I just go on G2A. G2A is so cheap. Like all year round. All year round. Can't you see where the hard drive is? No, there's no other hard drive. I bought just an SSD for it when I spec'd it. Man just bought Cyberpunk Crusader and Last COD. Nice. Cyberpunk, that game, man. It was so hyped, and it was just a bit. Wasn't just really buggy. Yeah, it was pretty buggy. Today's Raja GJ trade is like an impulse entry. I mean, it's just support forming a little bit. It's just, I don't even know. Smart Raja concepts, my man. Look inside the PC you're using just now for reference. This is the PC. It's the case is like a. Wait, let's just see so I can see this. Yeah, so I think it's in the back, like right at the back, because I can't see anything down here. That's just where the little SSD is. So, yeah, I think it's like round, like right at the back. Solve most of the issues. Yeah, it should be good now. It was like that Assassin's Creed. It's just when they rush the games out. It's the most frustrating thing. Like I remember Assassin's Creed Unity. I was looking forward to play that because it was online. I was like, oh, this is gonna be dope, and it was just so buggy. Have watched almost all your streams from when you started until now. You've definitely developed a lot since then, both in terms of discipline and winning trades. You rock. We're from Denmark. Amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Do you know the maker of the PC case? Yeah, it's Lian Lee. Ubisoft equals bugs, yeah. Yep. If GJ 30-minute closes bearish, would be nice sell. Look how many times it's rejected here before. Really? Just what, one bearish kind of like that, man? It's just ranging. What? See, and this. Why is everyone looking to take trades right now? There's fuck all there. Like, it's just in a range, bro. This is when everyone spunks their money off in the day like this. Just wait. There's nothing. There's no zones been breaking. There's no real clean candles yet. You know, there's clean candles that are printing right now, but you can't. You're not Mystic Mike like Raja Banks. You don't know when this is going to start pushing. So there's just no trade at the moment. You just gotta wait. You just gotta wait. Why I send a chart link and it doesn't show here? Because YouTube doesn't let it, like I've told you 14 times. Just send the fucking... Send this bit. The last bit of it like that. Then I can have a look. Red Dead, yeah. I want to get Red Dead, I think. Because I played that as well, but I didn't finish it. I feel like now my attention span, when I've got older, maybe a little bit better now. Even though I haven't finished fucking Harry Potter either. I don't know, like, when I was younger, when I was playing games, I just felt, you know, I enjoyed playing them. But now I just have anxiety that I should be working instead. You know what I mean? That is my only issue. I struggle to switch off. Because you know what I mean? No one, you know, people aren't making money playing a fucking game. But then, you know, I should still have some downtime, I suppose. It's hard thing to balance when you've got so much going on. Also, I'm looking at buying a new camera now. So I kind of want a vlogging one. I kind of want one that I could use it for everything. I was looking at maybe the Sony vlogging one, which a lot of people use. Oh, there's a VR2, is there? No, not VR. Yeah, like I want like a good camera that I can, you know, film on. Cause my phone, I want the new phone, but I want an iPhone 15. I think the 14 for me looks like shit. I just don't know what he asked with it. Yeah, I have to see which one's the best, and then I might just get it, because then I can film around. I'm about to get into WoW, yeah. Damn, it's expensive, is it? If there's current 1 hour candle on gold, I think it's good for sell. Yeah. I think the zone below is decent enough. I think you could potentially get it to continue down. So you look at your stops, you go, right, if I got it on the flip here, 54 pip stop, 57 pip gain, so the zone's big enough. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. My only issue is the 4 hour, I think. That was going to put me off taking that trade. It's right at, you know, 4 hour support. Whereas if I just wait, if I just wait a little bit further below, we'll be passing these wicks and then we've got this clean zone below. Diablo 4. Yeah, like if I go G2A seems to always be the cheapest. Like I got Harry Potter for cheap in G2A, I'm pretty sure. So I go here, Last of Us. I also really like the last. What? Fucking $45. You watch the series? Yeah, I'm on episode 7 now, I think. Or 6, yeah. Man, they did it so well. I think gold is going to blow accounts today. Well, yeah, because what happens is, and people forget this, is that there's just been a massive days where gold's moved loads, and now everyone's thinking gold's going to move 300 pips every single morning. So they're looking to try and get in for this next big move, but it's like, no, it's not always like that. You gotta take your piece and leave. And when it's in a range like this, you just sit. You know, this is what me and Don and Wixie and everyone and others will be doing, right? The only difference that me and Don have really here is that he would wait for a 5-minute closure below here, and I'll wait for a 30. That's all it is. And you just wait. Because what can happen, and if you go back testing, you can see it happening, is you can just range like this all day, especially after it's moved so much the past current couple days. It can just range all day. So you don't want to get caught in taking really ass trades in a zone when all you got to do is wait for a closure like you've been doing for the past, well, how many days trading, and then you've got a beautiful trade. If that happens today, great. If it happens tomorrow, that's great. If it happens the next day, that's great. Doesn't matter. You just know that when price is going to break above here or below here, I've got a trade that I can take, which has got a really good win rate. We scored 10 pips today. Nice. What do you plan to make? Yeah, so I think, when I have a weekend free, I'm not going to lie, I don't have a weekend free in the next 3 months. But maybe in like June, July, I'll go for it. Yeah. Do 46x, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. We got that 10k subs, boys. 10k subs. Look at that. 10k subs. I'm gonna tell everyone in school now. You used to make fun of me in my YouTube videos. Now I got 10k subs, boy. Back on Max Simpson. Back on Max Simpson. My room tour. What a great video. Back in the day. So yeah, I mean, look at Goldie. A little bit of a salary play there that you could potentially take. It's decent. It's not bad. I mean, the zone below is decent enough in terms of taking it. But for me, I think the 4 hour, it's if I just put a line where this 4 hour support is, and then we go down, it's literally there. So I'd rather just wait until we get further below. So yeah. I'm rejected from the 4 hour support. Yeah, exactly. So it's a big level. Hey guys, this is my room. Just ignore the lotion everywhere. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I also bought Dead by Daylight as well. Dead by Daylight. That's a fun game. Oh shit, it's nearly downloaded. Yeah, that's well fun playing with your mates. It's scary as shit. I'm playing it on PS4. Yeah, I used to play that on PS4 as well. Mate, PS4 back in the day. What a great time to be alive. What a great time to be alive. I got PS4 on release day. Hey, Stop Loss, can you get... Hey, Stop Loss Matters, can you get rich with 10 to 15% monthly gains? I mean, maybe if you trade only big accounts. No. You can get... Sorry, your first thing there. Can I get rich with 10 to 50% monthly gain? Yes. No matter what money you start off with, you just do it consistently. Yes. And you compound it every single month. You just got to be able to do it. That's all. I think I get messaged that question maybe 10 times a week. Max, how can I make loads of money if I'm only making 10% a month? I mean, 10% a month is ridiculous, right? Let's just start off here, right? £5,000, right? £5,000. If you don't have $5 to start trading, then you know, good luck. But if you go here, like, you know, 10% every single month when you start off, which is what you'd get if you joined my mentorship at the start of the year. You'd have got 10 in the first one, nearly. You'd have got probably 10 in the second one, and you would have got, you're already up about 6 or 7 already in this month. Okay, so if you go to here and you just do your 10%, you drag it down. You know, if you start with $5,000. Okay, and you do it for 4 years consistently. You do 1 trade a day. You make your 10% for the month. At the end of it, £154,000 you would be having. So it doesn't matter where you start off. Just do the same thing. And it just compounds, bro. And that's 10%, you know. Some months are going to be better. Some months you get bigger gains. Hi everyone, is my analysis correct? So this is GJ, sells below. Yeah, so I think in terms of your zones, make these a little bit more focused, right? So I would, you know, make these a little bit focused. I think also, was it you yesterday who took the gold trade and didn't manage risk? Who was it? Yeah, this guy, Mustafa. Yeah, it was you, isn't it? No, Mustafa. Okay, so Mustafa, you need to look at the other chat and show. Look at this is how I managed. So I was saying move stop loss to here, move stop loss to here, move stop loss to here. Don't hold the full stop if I don't tell you to, because it can be nasty. But yeah, in terms of this, I think in terms of GJ, if we go back to it, I think, you know, sells below here. You could maybe, if you wanted to, because it's a clean candle there, but this is all choppy as well, so it's not the nicest. I think, you know, if you draw this on here, yeah, I'll draw your support lines maybe a little bit smaller like this. So the next support is obviously down here. Why do I draw it there? Well, because that's where price pushed before. I mean, the zone below, let's take a look at the 4 hour as well. Yeah, the 4 hours choppy, man. I don't know, I don't think I'd take this trade. I think the zone's maybe a little bit too choppy in the higher time frame for me to take. I think probably the easiest one would actually be maybe below 160, 250, because we were waiting for some resistance forming here. Yeah. It also depends on, you know, closures, right? If you got a closure like this, the next candle wicked all the way up here, and flipped, then yeah, you could maybe get something out of it. Depends on your stops, so you might be able to take something out of it. But for me, with GJ, I like it when it's really, really clean, and it doesn't happen too often, to be honest. If 4 hours too choppy, yeah, you know, if you look at the 4 hour here, ugh, nasty. But yeah, I mean, if you actually go back and look at like GJ and stuff, there is a lot of days where it is just choppy and there's no real clean candles. But the good thing is you've got 3 pairs to trade or 2 pairs to trade. So when one's bad, normally the other one's all right. Max, which
GJ loves to range like this, but then just pushes like
randomly?
2 days in a row.
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly.
When it pushes, and you can just take the break of the highs.
Yep. Yeah, boy. Max, what do you think's better to trade, GJ or gold in London? In London, I don't know. You know, probably gold. No, there's been a lot of GJs recently. I don't know. Probably about the same, to be honest. If you look overall for the yeah, look, GJ and gold are pretty similar gains so far. So I'd say pretty equal. We've seen Raj's trades this year. Is it practical for other traders to learn and implement the type of stuff long term? To be honest with you, now I struggle to find, you know, like this one here. But this could be his new thing, so I don't know. I can't pick on it. But you know, why did Raja take a buy here? Just because there was a little bit of support forming, like. But how many times does he take these trades where there's, you know, there's not really any confirmation, hasn't really even closed above yet, and he just takes it and it just flies? The only thing I know is that it's got a clean counter to the left, that's all. You'd be treating out ideas, Lucky says, yeah. How much percentage do you make a day? Well, every day is different, my man. Every day is different.
What's been your best trade ever?
The best trade ever? I actually, not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure it was a couple days ago. It was that gold trade that I talked about. Buy. Yeah, that gold buy, because I held until fucking 2000. I'm pretty sure it was. Where was it? Where the fuck was it? It was where we took the trend line. Yeah, here. Yeah, here. Same thing that I've been looking at, where price holds a real strong level with obvious confidence of bullish structure. Had a 45 pip stop and I closed at 1900. Sorry. So yeah, like 200 pips, 200 pips full. With a 40 pip stop, so it was 1 to 5, which isn't bad. What's your target? What's my target for the day? Nothing. There's no target set, right? Once you set targets, you know, you're looking for things that you can't plan. Trading's all about probabilities and setups, and they don't come every day. Or you know, the setups that you want to take don't come every day. So what can that eventually end up to happening? Well, you tell me. If you're hoping to get 1% in the day and you haven't taken any trades yet, what are you gonna do? You're gonna take a fucking trade, aren't you? And should you take that trade? No. So there's no set percentage, there's no set thing. All I do is look at the end of the month and go, pretty good, Max. Well done. You made, I don't know, last month I made like 15%. Ah, great. So yeah, it's not gold celery. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It's a coming. It's a coming. It does look good, man. It's just at that 4 hour, man. That's the reason why I'm leaving it. If the 4 hour wasn't there, right there, then I would probably take this, because the zone below is, you know, it's decent here, it's decent here, it's decent here, it's decent here, it's clean. I once forgot my trade, and when I woke up it was at 1 to 9. Oh my god. 1 to 9 risk to reward. Fucking hell. Not bad, not bad.
I had that on GG one time. I had 67 pips. I fell asleep.
I don't know how you guys can fall asleep in a trade, bro. Like if I'm gonna like even when
Yeah, you put a sell stop.
Oh yeah,
and then
that's true.
Gone.
Yesterday, did you risk the 92 pip stop loss with the same percentage of 1.2? Yeah, 1.4, but yeah. Yeah, like yesterday, you know, 92 pips. I closed like 80, not bad. Every time I sleep when I'm in a trade, I get dreams of getting stopped out. Yeah, that's so true. That's why I never do it anymore, man. It just ruins my whole night. And then at the end of it, even if you lose the trade, which you know it can happen, it's like, wow, I don't have any sleep and I took an L as well. That was a fucking waste of time. How much do you get back for payback effects? 37%. Yeah.
I never knew about that.
Yeah, it's sick, bro. Especially
I've wasted so much money then.
I know. And I actually I think that the gold the commission on gold on IC markets, I don't know what it is for everyone else, but mine's down. Like my commission on gold is £5. £5 per lot. Alright, quick go to La Toilette. But yeah, this looks, I mean, if you guys want to take this, you know, is it in your plan? Is everything good? For me, it's just a little bit too in this zone. I know I'm going to get a nicer trade below 67. Alright, it'll be 2 minutes. everyone and their grandma has just been tapped in. Anyone taking gold? I think some people will be, but for me, I'm not. A 4 hour for me, just like, nah, man, nah. I have left it, yeah, I think. Where are you from, lad? Newcastle. Newcastle, Newcastle, Newcastle. I was saying I went to Liverpool last week, not the weekend. Wow, I was mad. Yorkie. And yeah, man, Liverpool was a vibe. So this month then, oh no, it's next month, isn't it? Yeah, in the space of 2 months, I'd be to Manchester, York, Newcastle, Leeds, Bristol, Liverpool. Bloody louds. And London as well. I'm going to London as well. Man's just going around the UK. Yeah, I've never been to Liverpool before and didn't know how Irish it was. My God. Let me actually just see, because they said that a lot of people just moved over from Ireland to there. How far is it? Launch Earth. Are you in on the summary? Who? Wow, yeah, it's pretty close to Manchester then, isn't it? Interesting. So, yeah, so they should just go from Dublin to Liverpool. Literally just one fucking boat. The Ted story has ruined my trust for life, to be honest. Ooh. Man's on the run like Ted. What did he do though? I don't get it. Does POEX work with MT4? No, MT5? No, it works with MT5. Just if your broker's on or not. That's the only thing. It's the only issue. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's try and get to 150 likes if you can. Then we may be able to do a Magic Keys giveaway for everyone in the YouTube stream. Not for Instagram this time. If we get 150 likes, we'll do that. If you guys haven't subscribed as well, make sure to subscribe. We're vibing on a beautiful Tuesday morning, waiting patiently for some trades. And I think I've just avoided a Goldie over here. Just because the 4 hours, you know, look at the higher time frames. It's just in this range, right? So just remember that. If it's in a range, just wait for a zone to break. Is the zone below clean? Yes. If the zone is not, then don't take trades. You have to wait maybe a little bit further. You know, it's just that kind of thing. I'm using IC markets, all good, nice, yeah. Max, do you calculate a lot on Magic Keys? No. I don't calculate it, the Magic Keys does. I just put the percentage and I trade, boy. Yeah, you go to F7. Type F7. Sorry, click your chart. Go to F7, then go down to percentage risk, and then put it to 1.4. Is my analysis correct? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, beautiful. So this is a 4-hour flipping resistance. Okay, that's fine. Support sells below. So yeah, I think this is good for sells. I think in terms of this, sells below here would be great. That support would be good. Sells below to continue down here. This zone's big enough. Obviously, taking positions off maybe there, or going at least break even there. And then, yeah, further below, this is sells below to continue back down to there. Great. Buys above, yeah, for me here, buys above would be this level. Good stuff. Buys above there would be great. To continue, why? Well, that's the cleanest zone. All this is all traffic. This is resistance. Beautiful. Amazing. Well done. Well done, brother. Good job. Perfecto. Do you use FN buttons on magic keys? No, I don't. Just do it to analyze. Only put 10% of your account in a broker, then use leverage so you don't go under when they go under. Yeah, that's true. I actually, yeah, someone, because I did a little video on that. But that's a good way of doing it. If you can stick with your rules and you can stick with not over leveraging, because if you've got a big leverage on, then you have access to put on as much loss as you want. Do you use fixed lots or fixed money size? I use fixed percentage. So, and this is what we came to the conclusion is because if it's not fixed percentage, you know, stop losses were getting way too big. Whereas now, all I've got to focus on is the zone big enough for my stops. That's all I've got to focus on. What's my leverage? 1 to 100. Yeah, that's this webinar I'm on this week. Yes, that'll be posted on Friday. Yeah. Gold potential celery. Yeah, it's all, I think whoever's in the celery, they've already been activated. They've already been activated over here. Oh, that looks a little bit of potential, but it's still got a while. Hello, Max, do you prefer screen magic keys or what? Yeah, on screen's good, yeah. If you guys want to use my code as well, SLM, for 10% off magic keys, that would be good. So here we go, trying again, 5 minutes left for this candle. Please share link for magic keys. Okay. I'm just getting it 1 sec. Do you remember when you got your form and spec? Yeah, so I got mine from Custom PC, is it called? PC Custom, wait. There, Cyberpower. Some people say it's shit, but mine works perfectly fine. I have no problems with it. And then I just used a 3060 Ti and a a Ryzen 5600, 32 gigs of RAM. Yeah. Here we go. So let's go through this trade if you did take it, just to show you how I would do it, right? So stop loss would be current candle high. Got very close to breaking it. So stop loss is 42 pips. You're up 17. Yeah. 4 minutes left for the hourly. That's the only issue. Another top wick for the hourly. Hopefully not. Hopefully can make just a continuation. But Magic Crate Treat, yeah. Have you seen the HS's Telegram? Yes, I have. I'm in it. It's fucking mad. Guys, we're trading today. We're up another day. He's just getting the 10-year-olds to come on. He gets like £800 per person that joins his broker. It's fucking ridiculous. So now you got to think to yourself, you are coming towards the maybe below the 4-hour support, which is not bad. The next candle has to make a top wick. The retest would be there, so it's probably likely you're going to hit break even here if you go break even now, which is a bit annoying. So let's just hope that this does just drive quickly. Quickly. Right, EJ's coming back up to resistance, see how it deals with all these reses, but yeah, above would be great. 250 people this morning as well, amazing work. Give that last push for people over here. So up 24 pips. Yeah.
Maybe we can enter on the retest.
Could do, but it's still close to that support, my man.
Yeah.
For me here, Michael, is if it didn't enter there, then I'm definitely waiting for below there. That's the entry that I would have taken if I wanted to trade this zone. Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
But now, yeah, 25 pips for a 42 pip gain. Probably go break even. Hope it pushes last minute. So 2 minutes left for 8 o'clock over here. GJ's still not really there yet. Dubs in the chat, boys. Well done for people who took it. Guys had sweaty balls for the start. The re-entries were a little bit better after that 5-minute close bearish like that. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, so what I'm probably going to wait for here is this next candle, the next 30 minutes. Are you in a gold trade? No, I'm just showing you how I would have done it. Because we discussed the celery play here. So yeah, next candle hopefully makes a top wick, flips, closes, but bearish below like that. And then, you know, we can take a sell over here. And then maybe the runner could continue.
Raja took a buy, GG.
Yeah. Yeah.
But 161.
Yeah. So no bottom wick. I just close full here, guys. That's just me personally, but how much actually would you be up by? Yeah, like 33 pips. You're nearly at 1-to-1. Candle's got no bottom wick, suggesting, you know, price can make huge top wick with that. Depends if you break even or not. So yeah, hopefully the next candle can get down here, and then we'll take some beautiful sells. So yeah, London Open right now. I'll see what the charts have for us over here. But yeah, I mean, that was alright. I mean, it was alright, but for me here, the 4-hour, especially that level, just I'd rather wait below. It is still in this zone. You could take EJ buys. Could I now? I would just say, if you're really looking at trying to take buys on these JPY pairs, just look at the hourlies. Like, does it look like a buy to you? Like, you know, the candles are strong. You may have volume, but it's still in this area where we've rejected fucking 30 times. So yeah, I'd rather just way higher up. I thought London Open was at 3 AM. It probably normally is, but it's daylight saving at the moment. Daylight saving. Goldie coming up. Sorry, GJ coming up. Nice, nice, nice. They're on a roll. So what's been the amount of trades per session? One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so yeah, about the same. About the same as London. About the same kind of leeway, which is good, right? It means you're not dependent on each one session, you just get both of them. That's a nice strong hourly candle as well, so yeah, hopefully we can get these cells up and running over here. 4 hours coming below the low now, which is a good sign. The daily time frame's nearly breaking previous lows. Great success. So yeah, 26 minutes left. I mean, I could maybe take the 15 if it makes a nice top wick, but for the most part, probably just gonna wait for the 30. I'm just gonna quickly go heat up this tea because it's cold. 2 minutes. Oh my god, I was watching that what's the comedian called? He's that weird like what's his name? He's called Von something. Yeah, this guy. Theo Von, he's well funny. I love his comedy as well because he's like It's kind of what's it called? He's like made up on the spot, you know. He's not planned. Like, it's pretty sick. It's pretty dope, dude. Wow, these GPY pairs flying. Max, have you watched Power? No. This goalie's gonna tumble. I mean, if it closes below 1956, then good stuff, right? Yeah. He's just... Doom, doom, doom. Yeah, it talks about like his father and stuff, and like his town. Yeah, back at home, I got told to look at this guy's butthole for $5. What the fuck? I'm like, what the fuck? How's my Magic Keys affiliate doing? They don't even pay you out on this stuff. I don't think. Look, your manager, Raja Rakil. Raja Rakil. Down, down, down. That was a nice little spike of volume there. Not too bad. Wasn't too shabby. Gold support 962. Yeah, so you know we're getting very, very close to. Did we actually tap it? Yeah, we did. So yeah, it's probably going to be now below 1956. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See if I just call out ICT. Down, down, down. So yeah, nice buys on GJ, nice buys on EJ. For me, it's that day again where I can't take it. The left hand side, it doesn't show me anything apart from, you know, maybe a little push here to there, but that's 6 and 2-3s. I'd rather wait higher up. Yeah, you get 1-1, not bad. 50-minute closure and gold, maybe max. We'll see, we'll see. The only issue that is now is, yeah, it's already kind of tapped that resistance now. So we could reject at any point. Tapping the previous res. So I think me now, yeah, I think Salzburg 956 would be decent. Yeah, the buys yesterday, I really expected that this is resistance. We know we push up, and normally we do come back in, and then we find some support here, which is what we did. And then close above, and then we come back to the high, but we just didn't get there, unfortunately. It was looking good, though. It was looking good, just not good enough. Do-do. Right, let's do a little game of Wordle while we wait patiently for goalie to maybe close. Gold, baby, go, go, gold. Okay, the first letter we've got already. Well, it has to be I, doesn't it? Or O. Or U two. EJ's flying? Yeah, man. It may have a bit of news over here. Was there anything that came out this morning on EJ? Your car registrations. No. Nope. Just Goldie taking a little bit of a dump here, and the JPY pairs are continuing as well. Was that a word? Oh my god. Oops, broke even on US 500. Peace out, Max. You'll have a great rest of your session. I don't want to cheat on my stream. See you later, brother. Adios, adios, adios. So every single time we come above 162, we push up quickly here, quickly here, quickly here. So it's not bad. Touch. Tough. Nice. Tough, 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 tough. Yeah, I think this 50-minute would be a risky business, you know, especially already retapping it. We could reject here. Obviously, we still are very bullish as well, so I'd rather wait for a closure below 56, I think, yeah. To be honest. It actually gets lows. Next week, NY Open for us in the UK will be back to 1 PM, right? I hope so. Yeah, I think it is, yeah. Is it? Yeah. I think so. The only possible way that I would take this trade is if we make a nice top wick. And then we reflip, because I think we get the drive, we should at least get back to that level again. And then we can just go break even. Do 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 do. So first of all, we need to see how big the stop would be. 58 pips, zone would be 83. It's not bad. That's not bad. I'd love to wait for the 30 if I could, but we'll see. See how this top wick forms. You want to get in, Max? Potentially, if we come back up into this zone. Yeah, I want it back above, and then when we reflip, break the low, we should drive and fill the zone again. Max, would you consider sales and gold clean traffic to the left if it closes below 1966? Yes, that's what I've done. Just want price to come back into the zone, because if you think about it in terms of zones, right? If this is zone 1, and this is the new zone that we want to get into, if we come back into this zone, reject, reflip, we're going to drive. But I need it to come back into this zone. GJ and EJ still pushing up. Nice. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So yeah, 142 to 142 600 would be great. 60 pip zone. That would be cracking, mate. I think 15 gold did fake out. Why do you think 15 gold did fake out? Why don't you just wait until it does it? Just wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this. 10 minutes left. See, we'll see, we'll see. Push up harder, brother. Was down -6% on my funded challenge. Now TP got really hit with 8% profit. Should I wait or close full now? Close full now, man. Did you go straight from -6 to fucking +8? God dang. So JBY pairs probably wait for some support to form and continue back down. Just continue back up. That would be nice. Thank you very much for subscribing. King Abe. Oh, hello, my man. Hope you're doing well, brother. On this beautiful Tuesday. Do 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 do. So that top wick isn't too bad now, to be honest with you. 9 minutes left. I would love to wait for this 30 though. But 15 is still a decent win rate with a closure below. It's just also for the fact that the zone already kind of gonna tapped it, so it's little things against me that makes you not want to take the trade. So I may have to wait for this in 8 minutes time to close, to be honest. If you already came and tapped the previous level, we've filled that wick already. So is it realistic for me to take that trade? I don't think so. We could just maybe paper it. Yeah, because if you look, the candle that I really want to mirror is this one here, which you already have done that. So, you know, where I would have wanted to take some positions off. So that's fine. These JPY pairs are on X game mode today. Let me put the Asian range on. Just so I can see. Kind of similar to the move that Raja took a couple days ago. Hourly closes bullish on support, holding support, and just gets a nice drive up. Great retracements though on EJ as well. Class stuff. Oh my, where's... Do 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 do. Yeah, it's just hovering at the moment. Wow, fucking hell, this EJ madness. Madness. Gold is setting up for the 1 hour, I hope. Gold back into the range. See, it's never really it's never closed out of it though in the first place in the 30 yet, so it's just like there yet. No. If it gives you a 30 closure, then I think, yeah, the wick fill may be reasonable. I think going for this 15 now when there's only 6 minutes left, sorry, 5 minutes left, I think it's probably best to wait for the 30. So we wait. If this sell on gold activated, I will just break even if it's not closing it, as it looks like the banking crisis is cooling down. We also have the US rate. Yeah, 100%. I think if it's overextended, just wait for some support to form, you know. And I think you'll have a class trade again. These candles are rejecting that zone. It's a good sign. Just hold on for the 30 closure, please. Hi Max, do you use a gaming chair? What is the brand name? Mine's a GT Omega. I think it's alright build quality, but I think the other ones that people have are better. Two of my mates had them at uni and they were better. Yeah. The Titans, yeah. What's the actual, is it called Titan? Secret Lab chairs, yeah, the Secret Lab gaming chairs are good shit. It's a bit sturdier. A little bit sturdier. So depending on how this 15 closes, if it closes below, then that'll be great, and then you get the break of the low. That'll also be with confidence at the 30-minute closing bearish. The only issue is it's already tapped into that level. That's your only downside, unfortunately. Five minutes rejecting. Stops above the previous 15. Yeah, it'd be like there. 971. A GJ coming in its own rocket over here. Joining EJ. Just at 4-hour resistance right now. We'll see if we can break it above. Is there any football matches this weekday? Let's see today. It's never really on Tuesday, isn't it? Oh, it's England and that, isn't it? Yeah. We're against Italy, oh my god. That's on Thursday. Italy, the little shitbags. So looking like 30's not going to close below. So people who wanted to get in there, they can't anymore. Has broken all of the previous daily. This is bearish today so far, which is good. Taking sales hopefully below 56. To be fair, if gold was to stop moving again, like moving 100 pips there will be, you know, 1 30-minute candle if it wants to. So there is no rush, really. Oh, a lot of people took the EJ buys in the group. Nice. Yeah, I mean, what's this shit? The volume was beautiful then, like, eh? Just kicked in hard. I'm waiting for the 1 hour gold. Way too much mess today. I don't think take the 30 when there's no real substance. So if you look here, 15 closed back above 30, closed on support, so nothing for us to even look at. But yeah, what I would say for the JPY pairs is just wait for some support to form, so wait for some candles to close bearish, yeah? Oh my god. I'm yawning a lot. Yeah, wait for some bearish candles to close, so something like this. Whenever it slows down, obviously, and then you know, wait for a bullish candle, and then that would be the play that I'd look to find on them ones. Look like the volume's slowing down already on Goldie here. Hi, what? After such a big move, yeah. I think the best thing to do is just wait for GJ to retrace and EJ to retrace. So looking back, what trade could I have taken? Maybe the celery there, but the 4 hour put me off it. Just because there was a lot of support there. I wanted to wait for a closure below here, and we already filled the zone in that one push. What time should I stay off until learning session? I'd say, you know, It just depends. It depends on. What I always say to people is, if you can see like an hour or 30 minutes ahead of you, what would you want to see? Well, I'd want gold to close below 1956. Is that going to happen? Probably not, because we've already rejected it once. But obviously I can check at 9 o'clock. GJ, what do I want? Just some retracements, really. And then obviously some support formings. But it is at that resistance right now. Oh my god. The yawns, bro. $27 left of the 4 hour as well to... Yeah, that's a bit annoying that the 4 hour closes earlier as well. Look at the 4 hour on both pairs. Yeah, right at highs. Damn, Max, the candles have been huge this week. Yep. And last week. And the week before. They've been huge for a while, I think. They've been a little bit huge. If you guys haven't already as well, make sure to go and follow the Instagram. I'll put all of the trades taken there. And obviously like updates and stuff like that and that kind of stuff. Just put my trades down in here, showing you which trades.
Break of the current high. So
yeah, all this stuff. It's very nice. So make sure to go follow that. The link is, I'll post it. Why'd you got in the break of the bullish 30 for sells? Lol. I entered gold sells. Ooh, really? Good luck. Good luck. Max, I know you don't trade USD, but would you consider a buy based on the 1 hour if it closes above current price? Okay. Let's take a look. It looks like it's very high. A buy? Would you say a buy based on the 1 hour if it closes? I'd want to buy above here. 32378. Because that means you get rid of all the rejections. You just get the closures above. And you get the clean candles here. That's what I would do. Chess. Yeah, we'll do a game of chess and then I may leave it off over here because there's nothing that I really want to see. The only thing that was decent really was maybe the celery. If you didn't care about the 4 hour, but I did. Come on, boy. Oh, come on. You little bot. Oh. Tomorrow's going to be huge. Can you start stream at 6:30 so you can stream for the interest rates? Sure. Sure thing. You can kill my pawn. Roy Hodgson confirmed at Crystal Palace. I think he's shit, me. I think I'll call it a day after the next 1 hour not feeling it. That's a good thing to have, man, if you're just not feeling the day. If you're just not feeling the moves. Let me do the move, please. I think I can check him. Because if he doesn't do that, then I can move him there, the queen there. No one can kill me apart from the king, and then he can't kill me. Come on, come on. What time range do you base your targets on? 30 minute normally. Yeah, 30 minutes still. I wonder how Don confirms his setups based on 5-minute closes really time frame to count on. Well, it's pretty simple. He marks out his zones. He finds his resistances. He finds supports. If you get a 5-minute closure above a resistance or a support that's a current, you get at least 10 pips from it. So that's all it is. It's very, very simple and effective. It's good. And it's not like, oh, time frame. No, just go and backtest it. I literally did it by myself last week, and it was just, yeah, it was the same. The percentage gain was maybe a little bit less, but the trades were just exactly the same, really. Oh, come on, man. He does his zones a bit different than you. They seem to be pretty standard. He marks the zones on the 5s, right? I mark them on the 30. But a lot of them pair out. So for example, this one here, this support I had here, if you look at the 5-minute, it's the same support. So a lot of them they are the same. Yeah, but that's the same as me, but I just don't call it that. For example, if I'm strongly bearish, I ain't taking the buys. I would rather wait for the fake outs. Especially on like GJ for zone 1 and zone 2. So it's the same thing. Yeah, like the fake outs, where did it happen? Was it last week? Somewhere here. Yeah, like I wouldn't be taking the sells there. I've got to wait for an extra zone above that. Well, this game's great. Wow. Okay, we'll do one more game. You knew he lost, boy. One more game. But yeah, good stuff there on gold. Just waited patiently for it. Didn't close below, therefore we could reject. Or we could mash in that zone for a little longer today. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing? I thought I was... I don't know what the fuck I was doing there. Jesus Christ. 40 people in the Zoom this morning. Wow, a lot of turnout. A lot of turnout. But yeah, there's just nothing that I'm really that keen into, really. The only thing was maybe that celery there. To continue further down. That's pretty much it. And yeah. GJ and EJ for me, these are the moves that I just can't. You know, how many times? I mean, unless you just, I don't know. I just can't see how you can get in here. Maybe the only thing, it just ranges and it's still holding a level of support. But I don't know that the price is going to launch like this in these areas. Same with GJ. Like, I have no idea why Raja took the buy there. Is it just because it's holding a level of support and the hourly closed bullish and it's got clean candles here? Oh my god, what are these people doing when they don't fucking play? 2 weeks or this week for Easter bank holiday? Oh, I have no idea. No idea. I don't even know what weekend it's on. The mirroring is a bit confusing for me. What do you mean, the concept of it? I get lost with it. It's just the next. It's just mirroring the next candle. So when there's a this fucking dude is annoying me. When there's a most recent candle in recent price, when price comes back to that level, as long as the zone is clean in other aspects of it, the candle will mirror, especially in higher time frames. So mirroring is like, you know, mirroring of the candle, right? As in like the mirror, if it's exactly the same, it looks the same. So if you had a mirror there and you're looking at yourself, it's just the same, it's the same candle. So in times of volume, clean candles just mirror each other. And there's loads of examples of that. Ooh, it's cool to come back down again. This is the 15 celery and it is below the zone. It's not bad, you know. Right, let me get rid of this. I don't actually need to do this. So 15 is going to close strongly. Not shabby. It's rejected the previous zone. So if we can make a little wick over here. It wouldn't be the biggest wick though, because we've already made it. Yeah, I might just get in here, guys. Stop loss above 68. Just for the fact that we've rejected the zone now, it's based on the 15-minute time frame. So I've taken a trade over here. Stop loss is above the previous candle here. To continue and fill this zone again. Oh. Because the 15-minute time frame is closed below. Back below the zone. The 15 actually here, yeah, faked back out, rejected the area, so we should fill that wick at least. Can go break even there, and then can fill this range. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. So yeah. Where's Roger Trade Live? Bro, just go on YouTube Roger Banks. Come on, use your brain. How did you send the signal message so quick? Well, I had it in from the previous one, brother. I wanted a little Totwick. Well, there's your Totwick. Yeah, faked out of the zone, 50 minutes celery as well. Oh, Mitch. I call it the onion. Le onion play. How's GJ and them doing? Bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Go break even at that wick. Let's take a look here. 5-minute rejecting the support at the moment. So, in terms of this trade, we have 10 minutes left. I think I'll drive in the 30 closure. Potentially, I mean, I'd hope it does it before, to be honest with you, but yeah, we'll see. Do you ever trade because you feel obliged, you really want to find one for us? Nah, I'm not asked about that. I'm not asked. I don't take that many trades anyway, you know, I don't bash out the trades. Just take the ones that I know we've got a good chance of going pretty good. So, I mean, it is coming very, very close to the 4 hour. So I may, you know, if this doesn't just push straight away now, I'm probably just going to take my break even because it is getting very, very close to this 4 hour. So, yeah. It's 5 minutes, got a minute left to close. Yeah, it's getting a little bit too close to the new 4 hour and the hourly. So I'm just going to go stop loss to break even here. It's probably going to hit me out at break even right about now. There we go. Yeah, got our break even. I think it's getting maybe a little bit too close to 4 hour time frame for the 4 hour to close. I kind of wanted that one drive. I think it still may get it, but I think in terms of the 4 hour, what's going to happen is the next, you know, in 5 minutes time, this next candle can close, make a top wick, flip, and then continue later on. But, you know, for me personally here, I wanted to kind of get that first initial drive. Normally, after 15 closes bearish like this, especially when it closed below as well, with the celery, you get the drive. I got a little bit of profit there, got up to 9 pips, but, you know, not enough for me to close or anything. So, yeah. It's closing soon on the 4 hour. So yeah, too late. I'm waiting for a pullback. Yeah, what you could do is wait for the 4 hour, I think. But it's coming towards, you know, a time where 9:30 is probably the last time you can look at. But after, it can be quite slow. But yeah, 5 minutes left. So, you know, and what I always say as well is, you know, if this continues down, that's fine. I'm happy with that because, you know, probably going to mirror this candle, which is great, which kind of the, you know, and fill in this wick, which is what I wanted. However, it's too close to the 4 hour now. Like, you know, I had 15 minutes for this to candle to come and fill this wick. Getting towards the last 4 minutes of the 4 hour, hell no, I ain't holding that bad lad on. So yeah, I mean, later on, what you gotta wait for here, EJ maybe closure above, probably an NY session here. GJ as well. Yeah, GJ as well, above 162. And yeah, look at the lower time frames, looking like it's kind of hovering. You can see there's a lack of volume. When you're breaking through zones, you need stronger candles. Obviously, we had a stronger candle when we entered, but we're starting to just mess around here. The 4 hour time frame is closing in 3 minutes time, so it's best to be safe than sorry in terms of a trade like that. So yeah, beautiful stuff. Break even this morning. And yeah, we'll go on to NY session. NY sells below 56 would be great. And as I said, buys above all that kind of area. Yeah, beautiful stuff, guys. So in terms of this week so far, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 break even. The loss was minus 0.13%. The win was 0.85%. So beautiful stuff, man. We'll wait on over here. We'll wait on for later on. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys later. Adios, adios. See you later, Zoom. We've got beautiful simulation we're doing later on as well, yeah? Peace out, squad. Adios, adios, adios. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Yeah, a little bit slower today. I mean, in terms of Goldie, was nice. Talking about the celery. But yeah, GJ, EJ, nice bullish pushes. But for me, there's nothing for me to take there. Maybe that closure at 141, 320, 350. But apart from that, nothing too much. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe. And remember, always risk manage.